Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everyone. Today I'm going shopping at Trader Joe's and I like to share with you a few items that I commonly get. An item that I normally don't, I'm just going to give it a try. I'm going to take a few of these items and turn it into a wonderful recipe and share that with you, as well as a project, which I will be leaving the links down below in the description box. Tag along and let's get straight into this. First off, I picked up a couple of these bouquets, the hydrangeas and the roses. I love them, they smell amazing. I will be turning these into a project. Check out the links below in the description box. I wanted to let you guys know how wonderful the floral department is in Trader Joe's. They have a wide variety of selections throughout the seasons and they're all budget friendly, so I'm very pleased with this. Next up is one of my most favorite sweets, the chocolate covered coconut and almonds. If you don't have any allergies to nuts, I would highly recommend for you to try this. And then some rainbow carrots, which we will be most likely turning this into a salad. Of course, I gotta pick up the avocados. My daughter loves it. She eats it on a daily basis, as do I, so we make a good variety of items with the avocados, which we may share at a later time. One of the top selling items at Trader Joe's is their mandarin orange chicken, which I will be turning into my version of sweet and sour orange chicken. I'm going to include the recipe and the links down below in the description box for that. If you're interested, click on that video. I also picked up some Spanish saffron. I do a lot of cooking with this and their quality is wonderful. Also, rice vinegar for my Asian dishes and salads. I will be including this as well in the recipe. And then we have another one of my favorite sweets. It's the dark chocolate orange sticks. It has a marmalade center that is orange flavored. Goes perfect with the chocolate. Next up, it's my husband's favorite sweet bites. These are little cakes, portion size, and there's 3 different flavors. 4 of each flavor in the box. Goes perfect with tea or coffee. This one is a new one for me, and since I will be making the sweet and sour orange chicken, I thought I'll give this one a try, but it's steamed chicken soup dumplings. Next up, it's my youngest daughter's favorite, the macaroons. She absolutely loves the fig and the apricot, which I do agree with as well. And finally, I picked up a couple of these yogurt packages for the kiddos. The first one is the banana with the strawberry combination, and then the second one is the raspberry with the vanilla. These are great for snacks or on the go. And there you have it, guys. That's my trip to Trader Joe's. I commonly get a few other items, but they didn't have it at the time. Hopefully on another video, I'll be able to share that with you. And also stay tuned for a recipe coming up using the mandarin chicken. I will be turning that into a sweet and sour orange chicken. Also a recipe coming up with the rainbow carrots and a DIY project coming up using the flower bouquets. I will also be posting my opinion about the dumplings for you guys to see what I thought about it if you'd like to watch. For those videos, I will be linking it up under the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with a friend or a family. Take care and see you back soon.